Hello everyone. Welcome back to Genuine Reviews. Today, we have an exciting and in-depth review of the Extraordinary Parenting book. This guide has been a game changer for me, and I can't wait to share it with you. Don't forget, you can buy this amazing book from the official website linked in the description below. The Extraordinary Parenting book is a comprehensive guide that covers every aspect of parenting. It helps parents understand their child's needs, develop effective communication techniques, implement discipline strategies, and much more. The goal is to help parents build strong, healthy relationships with their children and foster their overall development. This book is packed with practical advice, real life examples, and actionable tips that you can start using right away. Now, let's dive into the details. The book is divided into several sections, each focusing on a different aspect of parenting. Understanding your child's needs, this section provides insights into recognizing and addressing the physical, emotional, and developmental needs of children. It offers practical tips on how to be more attuned to your child's needs, such as understanding their unique temperaments and learning styles. The book emphasizes the importance of observing and listening to your child to better understand their needs. Effective communication techniques. Here, the book teaches various communication techniques that can enhance your relationship with your children. It includes examples and scenarios that demonstrate effective communication, such as active listening, using I statements, and avoiding negative language. The book also covers nonverbal communication and how to use body language to reinforce positive messages. Discipline strategies. This section offers constructive and nurturing discipline strategies. It provides guidelines for implementing these strategies consistently, helping to create a positive and respectful environment. Techniques such as timeouts, natural consequences, and setting clear expectations are explained in detail. The book also discusses the importance of being firm yet kind and how to avoid power struggles. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is crucial in parenting, and this section explains how to teach children to recognize and manage their emotions. It offers methods for fostering emotional growth, such as validating feelings, teaching empathy, and modeling emotional regulation. The book highlights the benefits of helping children develop strong emotional intelligence, including better relationships and improved problem-solving skills. Encouraging academic success. This part of the book provides tips for supporting your child's academic journey. It includes strategies for creating a conducive learning environment at home, setting up study routines, and encouraging a love for learning. The book also covers the importance of parental involvement in education and how to support your child without being overbearing. Balancing work and parenting. Finally, this section addresses the challenge of balancing work and parenting responsibilities. It offers practical strategies for maintaining a healthy work-life balance, such as time management tips, setting boundaries, and prioritizing self-care. The book also provides advice on how to involve your children in household tasks and create a supportive family environment. Some of the key features of this book include its comprehensive coverage of various parenting aspects, actionable tips, and real-life examples. Each section is designed to be practical and easy to implement, making it a valuable resource for any parent. The book is written in an engaging and accessible style, making it enjoyable to read. Additionally, it includes helpful summaries and checklists at the end of each chapter to reinforce key points and ensure you can easily apply the strategies discussed. Let's go over the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the depth and breadth of information provided. It's thorough and covers all the essential aspects of parenting. Another advantage is its practical approach, with tips that are easy to apply. One thing to note is that it provides a lot of information, which can feel overwhelming at first. However, the book is well organized, so you can easily navigate to the sections that are most relevant to you at any given time. On the downside, Some strategies may require adaptation to fit your unique family dynamics, but the book provides enough flexibility to tailor the advice to your specific needs. To wrap up, the Extraordinary Parenting book is an excellent resource for parents who want to enhance their parenting skills. It's filled with valuable insights and practical tips that can make a real difference. Whether you're a new parent or have years of experience, this book offers something for everyone. Don't forget to check out the book on the official website linked in the description.